Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ciara. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be going out to eat for my birthday. So me and Charles are going to go out this afternoon. My mom has the kids, and we're going to go to this place that we went to before, but this time I'm actually going to film it because last time I didn't film it. It was pouring down raining. I was just trying to get warm. I was trying to make sure like the food was good. And shout out to my sister-in-law and brother-in-law for giving us this gift card to Bonefish Grill for Christmas. So thanks to you all, we saved this gift card for a really good time. So my birthday is February 6th. Today is Friday, and we're gonna the 3rd we're gonna go out to eat, and your girl's in need of a bottle, not even a bottle, I just need a glass of wine to get me through everything that's been going on this week, between work, schoolwork, home, and like life itself. Yeah, I'm supposed to say go ahead. Yeah. Wait, no.
Spend money on it, get money back.
They got a pink one.
I don't have that no more.
Pink. Of course, Target has no MacBooks, but I love looking at the computers. Always messing with something. I already have that camera. So we ran in Target really quickly. I needed 2 boxes of the cake mix and some milk for the weekend, and we ended up in Crumble Cookie going to get a 4-pack, and I'll show you guys the review on those. Okay, so we just got done going out to eat, went to Target, got Crumble Cookies. I'm gonna sit down and do my honest review on these ones since it has changed, and then we're gonna get ready to head home. At the end of dinner, this nut goes and tells the waiter that it was my birthday. Like, today is not officially my birthday, Monday is. So she's like, can you just hold on 5 minutes? Y'all, I'm sitting up here like, oh my gosh, she's gonna come and sing to me. But she didn't come and sing. She just brought back a card that says happy birthday. And we got a free like little card thing to come back and get the free Bang Bang shrimp for next time, which is cool. But not really, I'm not into shrimp, so it's not really like a birthday gift for me. And then of course in Crumble Cookie, they were like, oh, if you download the app, you can get the free cookie. Who the hell got time to wait in that line to download that in the middle of the store? I didn't. So I guess we're just gonna go home and we'll watch Megan, and yeah. This week's flavor was blueberry muffin, chocolate chip, Oreo, and classic sugar. Okay, so finally at home. Checked all of the mail. think we're gonna get ready to watch The Last of Us and not Megan. I don't know. I guess we'll watch Megan tomorrow. I am feeling just a little bit tired. I'm glad that today is over with. Let's go ahead and unpack my lunch. Get myself kind of ready and unpacked. And then I'm gonna head over to the couch and watch Last of Us. Randy! Sasha. Hey, Sasha. Blueberry muffin.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Okay, so I'm going to head over to my grandmother's house. Spend some time with them.
Don't even feel real. My only goal to make the real people feel seen. The memory of T-Lo.
Okay, so yes, it is my birthday weekend. I did last night in Target pick up 2 boxes of cake mix. My coworkers love it when I make stuff, so I will be making some little mini bundt cakes to take in to work on Monday, because not only is it my birthday, but my coworker has the same exact birthday, and we've known about this since I've had her son in my class last year. So it's very matter of fact, I knew since I started working there, but then that was my first year in special education. The year after that, I spent my first 2 years in special education, and then last year I spent my first year in first grade, and then this year I'm spending my first year in kindergarten. So just thought I'd make us something, especially with like trying to bring the Mardi Gras in. I think that our theme, or my theme this year, is going to be Mardi Gras again, because it's just something that I really want to cross off on my bucket list. Sooner or later I will. Maybe I'll treat my mom to that this year. I wish y'all could have seen what I just seen. That if you did, you would have looked the same way I just looked. But lady just walking in the middle of the street, smiling, happy. It's like, how many ever degrees out here? Okay, as y'all can see, it is 20 degrees here, but the wind makes it feel like it's 13. Y'all, it's ridiculous. If it's gonna snow, snow. If it's not, then let's move forward and wrap this up and bring springtime on, please. That's why I jumped on my mama the other day, like, what was you and my daddy thinking? Making me up in the winter time, up in February. She was like, well, it was every good intention. What intention was that? Oh, well, when we made you, it was summertime. That don't mean nada. Let me be a woman. So we ended up in Sam's Club, and they had a promotion where you could renew your membership for a certain amount of dollars. So we ended up renewing it for the plus, and so we were just walking around trying to catch deals and seeing what was on sale and things like that. What do you think about them? They were good?
I don't really like the pink one that much, but I like this yellow one.
I have no idea how this tastes just yet since I just bought it, but I would love to see what it would taste like. I also picked up this French fry seasoning. This was only $2.91. I picked up some things for breakfast and for juicing. Okay, so just coming from out of Trader Joe's, I spent about 30 to 35. Just got a couple different things. So for dinner, we ended up going to get Iso Ramen. Iso Ramen is proud to serve delicious ramen, rice bowls, and Japanese-inspired appetizers. Some of the things that you guys will find on the menu, of course, will be ramen, the rice bowls, and some of the inspired Japanese appetizers are the edamame and the pot stickers and other things that you guys can find. On the inside of this one, there was a lot of pretty nice Japanese styled decor. Okay, so if you ever come or go to Iso Ramen and bar, be sure to not order the Iso Ramen because it is spicy. I didn't realize that until I got home, and I'm not about to sit on fire tonight, so I ended up having to come back. Luckily, it was only like a 5-minute drive, and they were able to fix it with no problems. We're very happy to fix it, and I end up taking the bowl that I bought here to give back, and they just said I can keep that one, so now I have two.
Oh no.
Okay, so these are edamame. While I was gone, somebody took it upon himself to eat this whole thing. Yo, they're like snap peas.
You ain't gotta do me like that.
You pop them out. I don't know where it went. You pop them out and you eat them. Literally so good. Pretty girl.
Want the good, want the bad, all the feelings. Want you happy and sad in between them. If there's one thing I truly believe in, ordinary love, ordinary love. I wanna oversleep in your shirt 'cause it's ours. Brush my teeth while you're taking a shower. If there's one thing I know that
So I decided to go ahead and go into the kitchen and make the Mardi Gras bundt cakes. So I needed eggs, I needed the yellow cake mix, I needed water and some oil. I went ahead and mixed all of that up, and I am going to grease my pan really good, and then I'm going to just mix the colors up by using food coloring. So I'm going to be using yellow, green, and making purple. Once I had sprayed it, I went ahead and put it into the oven, and I put these into the oven on 350 for about 15 minutes. Then I went ahead and just created a Mardi Gras themed cake for myself, as I didn't feel like buying one from the grocery store this year. I just said I would make it from home. So here it is. Put it into the oven for about 30 minutes. And then when it came out, I let it cool down just a tad bit, and I did I did go ahead and ice in these little mini bundt cakes, and I also iced in the big actual cake that I made. So I'm going to take these little ones and celebrate with my class tomorrow for my birthday and my coworker's birthday, as we work together and we both have the same birthday. Why not celebrate together? After going ahead and putting the icing on this bigger cake, I did decide to go ahead and get some juicing done for the week, just because I know that it's going to be one of those quick grab and go weeks, and so that is the reason why I got some of the stuff from Sam's Club. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, and also make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on another video.